girls went to Funland Fair, laughing and smiling without a care. They rode the rides and played all day, eating ice cream, shout hooray! One little girl went home too soon, waving goodbye beneath the moon. So count them now and you will see 4 little girls as happy as can be. Open wide. One got tired and went to rest. 3 little girls having fun at their best. 3 little girls played games and more, running around the Funland floor. One fell asleep in the afternoon sun. 2 little girls still having fun.
Skateboard rides, rolling slow with happy strides, helmet on and big smile wide. Whee! She goes, what a ride! Push with hoof and glide along, singing a moo-moo skating song. Left and right, balance tight, baby cow rides day and night. Friends all cheer and clap out loud, baby cow feels strong and proud. Stop, wave hello, then start again. Skateboard fun till day must end. Push with hoof and glide along, singing a moo-moo skating song. Left and right, balance tight, baby cow rides day and night. Friends all cheer and clap out loud, baby cow feels strong and proud. Stop, wave hello, then start again. Skateboard fun till day must end.
Wakes up in the morning light, stretches her arms, feeling happy and bright. Mama says, breakfast time, my dear. Baby girl smiles with a little cheer. Milk in a cup and toast on a plate, yummy warm porridge, she cannot wait. Crunch, crunch, bite by bite, baby girl eats with pure delight. She claps her hands and laughs out loud. Breakfast makes her strong and proud. Happy tummy day begins. Baby girl smile always wins. Inch. Helmet on and tail so tight, zooming slowly, what a sight. Down the road and round the bend, Close your eyes, the stars will gleam. Drift away in a silver dream. Fairy dust falls soft and light. Whisper, sleep well through the night. Moonbeams dance on wings so small. Magic hushes one and all. Rest your heart, the world feels right. Good night, sweet child, good night.